An adrenaline-fueled journey through the realm of supercars and their less-than-intelligent drivers. Brace yourself for unbelievable mishaps that left wallets and mouths wide open in this captivating compilation. From breathtaking speed to cringe-inducing choices, get ready to be both shocked and amazed as we unveil these mind-boggling moments captured on camera. The car comes in suddenly while rolling and then gets up still itself. Amazing, isn't it? A car loses control and crashes into the side of the road, causing an accident due to lack of proper vehicle control. An erratic car driver circles aimlessly, suddenly veers straight, and loses control, resulting in a crash that wrecks the car due to reckless driving.
These people had their Tesla charged the entire time that we have been here. Holy cow.
These individuals kept their Tesla charged during our entire stay, but now all that remains is the charred wreckage of the car. What a shocking turn of events! A careless car driver speeds recklessly, repeatedly colliding with the roadside barrier, displaying dangerous driving behavior. Attempting to showcase skills, a car driver's daring maneuver goes awry as the car crashes into a barrier, ending in an unfortunate accident. Driving recklessly, the car driver swerves onto the roadside, accumulating scratches on the vehicle's side due to the careless maneuvering. During the process of lifting the car with a crane, the vehicle suffers complete destruction, leading to its total wreckage.
What happened?
Down.
A car on a sloped terrain loses its balance and stability, potentially leading to an unstable and precarious situation. A speeding car enters an area and collides with an obstacle while skidding, resulting in a collision while being dragged forward. Prepping for a race, the driver accelerates but loses control, resulting in a collision with the roadside barrier due to excessive speed. A person stands on the car's front windshield, causing it to shatter and break due to the weight or impact.
Dope.
Occasional nerve aches in your hands or feet? Try Nervive.
Dope again. Why are these two cars on the same thing though is what I want to fucking know. Like, oh, that's why, fuck!
A towing truck hauls away two badly crashed cars, leaving viewers utterly shocked by the severe impact and resulting damage.
Do a donut.
A car loses control, crashes into the side of a building, and becomes severely damaged, resulting in shattered windows and significant destruction. Enthralled by a show, a car driver loses control and wrecks his own supercar due to lack of attention and overexcitement.
Wow, what happened here? A Ferrari crashed? Did anyone get hurt?
A catastrophic accident occurred, leaving a car shattered into multiple pieces, indicating the severity of the collision.
Yeah, I think you're okay, man. You didn't hit nothing.
The car's driver carelessly veers onto the roadside, resulting in the accumulation of scratches on the vehicle's side due to reckless driving.
So this is a Hellcat Challenger.
Oh, this is a Hellcat, bro. This
And
is a Hellcat.
wow, they took everything. They took everything. They took the seats. They took the wheels. They took the engine.
Hey, your shit missing.
Bro, what?
It looks like a terrible accident has happened. So, that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Tell us in the comments which accident was the scariest one. And also subscribe to our channel for more thrilling videos.